Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss types of asexual reproduction. Some common types of asexual reproduction are fission, budding or gemmation, plasmatomy, gemmual formation and regeneration. Let us discuss one by one. Fission is the complete splitting of nuclear and cytoplasmic content into smaller sized daughter individuals. Based on number of offsprings, fission is of two types in general. That are binary fission and multiple fission. Binary fission is the planar division of an individual into two equal halves, each producing a daughter individual. In binary fission, mitotic or amitotic karyokinesis takes place first, followed by cytoplasmic division. According to plane of division, binary fission has some further classifications. In simple or orthodox binary fission, plane of division is difficult to observe. Amoeba-like irregular shaped protozoans follow simple binary fission. In transverse binary fission, plane of division is transverse to the longitudinal axis. Protozoans like Paramecium, Coelenterates, Turbellarians and annelids follow transverse binary fission. In longitudinal binary fission, plane of division is along the longitudinal axis. Ciliate and flagellate protozoans, like Vorticella, Eaglina, and some corals, or Anthozoa, follow longitudinal binary fission. Dinoflagellate organisms divide obliquely. Strobilation is a special type of transverse binary fission. In strobilation, several transverse fission occur simultaneously, giving rise to a number of unseparated individuals, which gradually separate. Scyphozone or Aurelia, polychaetes and ascidians follow strobilation. In Aurelia, strobilation occurs during the formation of ephora larvae. After fission, let us discuss budding. In budding or gemmation, small outgrowth called bud is supported by the parent, and is detached from the parental body after maturation, and leads an individual existence. Development of bud into an adult is called blastogenesis. External bud is called exogenous, as in Podophora. Similarly, internal bud is called endogenous, as in Acineta. Certain protozoans like Ephelota and certain metazoans as sponges like Cycon, Coelenterates like Hydra, flatworms like Planaria, annelids like Psylles, and Tunicate like Botrytis, Clavellina, follow gemmation. Next one is plasmatomy. In plasmatomy, cytoplasmic division takes place first, followed by nuclear division. Multinucleate protozoans like Opalina and Pelomyxa follow plasmatomy. Next one is gemmual formation. After destruction of parental body, the gemmule or statoblast develop into a new individual. The existence of gemmule is possible because the undifferentiated, food-storing cells, that are, gemmule or statoblast, are protected by remaining enclosed within the monaxon spicules, in gemmule, or chitinous covering, in statoblast. Last one is regeneration. Regeneration is the best means of asexual reproduction in certain protozoans, coelenterates like Hydra, planarians, and echinoderms. Regeneration is the characteristic by which development of organisms occur from their lost or worn out parts. Transverse or longitudinal incision in Hydra leads to regeneration. This is all about types of asexual reproduction. Please wait for upcoming videos. Till then, goodbye.